On this problem, we're finding the volume of this solid. I say it's a solid, but it's got a hole in it. So this is supposed to be a prism, a rectangular prism, with a rectangular prism-shaped hole. Alright, so if, just the basic setup here is the volume should be equal to the big prism minus the small one. That should be pretty easy because for a prism, the volume is area of the base times the height, and the base being a rectangular, that means it's just length times width times height. Piece of cake. Alright, so for the big one, we've got, the base is going to be the 4 and the 5, and the height is our 6 here. So just simply 4 times 5 times 6. Then we're going to subtract out the small one. So the small one has this 3 by this 4, which is this direction here, and the height is still the same at 6. So it's a 3 times 4 times 6. Right now it's just straight arithmetic here. So 4 times 5 is 20, and then 20 times 6 is 120. Minus, and then here we have a 12. 12 times 6 is 72. So subtract those and I get 48. Let's put on our units, millimeters cubed. Alright, that is not the only way you can do that problem. If we go back up here to this formula about the area of the base times the height, if you just take a look at the shape of the base, it's a rectangle with a rectangular shaped hole in it, like so. Let me just color in a little bit right here. Okay. So the large one is a 4 by 5, and the small one is a 4 by 3. Yeah, that's what it is. So if you wanted to find the area of the base, the big one is 4 by 5 minus the smaller one, a 3 by 4. Alright, so far, so here we got 20 minus 12, which is 8. Okay, so 8, and this would be millimeters squared. And then if you were finding the volume with the area of the base times the height, that would just be 8 for the area of the base, times the height, which is 6, and you still get your 48 millimeters cubed. You know, however you want to solve that problem.